So, it's time to sing happy birthday to a woman we all love anyway. Her name is Susan, I met her through Mark. Oh, there was a spark. We were supposed to go on some long walks, but it never happened. But we better walk soon, I'm rapping. Either way, just make sure you have a happy birthday. Yes, today. Before we cut the cake, might I suggest you take a look at the Marla Brodsky Camler fan page. You can find that on Facebook. Click like, that's right, it'll be out of sight. And then we'll say happy birthday. May this year be the best in every way. Close your eyes and make one wish or make two. May they all come true. Now everybody, happy birthday to you, Susan. You know that we love you, Susan. Everybody adores you. This is in order to have a happy birthday. Yes, today.